All right, I'm gonna sift out the parts I tumbled. Got some switch parts, and I forget what else. I think I can't remember what all I put in here. Whatever it is, it goes on the WaterWorld. Plus I got some old balls in there too, I think. I can't believe how balls turn out in this stuff. Let's see. It's nuts how well they polish up. A lot of that's my fingerprints. Huh. All right, well, I got the balls. Those I just keep in there tumbling for kicks, just to see how perfect I can get them, or what happens, or if nothing happens. All right. Cracked target face. Not cracked. But I want it to be new like the other ones, so I'm gonna replace that one. And this one's cracked. So I'm replacing all these target faces today. And these are some coil brackets to put the up kicker back together. That holds the little nylon ball cup. So yeah, let's do the, I don't know, we'll see what goes first. These or that, the up kicker. All right, whoa, we're moving. Earthquake. Oh God, all right, stop, all right. Here's all the doodads and goodies. Let's get this out onto a tray. Nice. All right, first thing I gotta do is drill out these rivets. But actually, I think I wanna do this first. Let me clean this guy off. All right, I need a rag. Where my Novish at? Gotta quit bumping that thingy. All right. First, I'm gonna go paper towel, simple green. All right. yellow, but all the dirt's off. Let's see what we can do with the Novus. Oops. Damn. It's too much. Wow, that's disgusting. Well, definitely got too much on that one. Wipe them on the old pants. And I need to find another towel. I'm back. Oh God, oh God. So shaky. I need to get a legit tripod. Well, I think that's gonna be clean enough. Oh my God. Okay. A little bit. That's what I was shooting for on the last one. Ah. Sorry. Also, this is a little bit rough around the edge where this cup has been slamming into the edge of that bracket. I think there's supposed to be a little rubber doohickey. Sanding this hole down just a little bit. Felt just a little rough. I'll probably just swap these out. This one's got a nice ring dug into it from that. So we'll just put this one there. All right, I'm gonna put this thing back together. All right. Gotta drill these bad boys out. So, I need to find a drill bit that won't round out that hole too bad. All right. What's this? This is I can't tell. Maybe a hair big. Go smaller. 3/32. That might do it. Let's try it. Yeah, okay, 3/32. want you to be able to see. All right, let's see what goes down here. I'm going bigger. $7/64. Maybe one bigger just so I can get that back part off. I just won't try not to poke through. 1/8 inch. Got it. Okay, so I think this little washer stays. Bing. Gotta keep drilling. Almost. Okay, I might have rounded it out just a toot, a 64th or something, but one down. I'm gonna set the torque to the lowest in case it grabs on me. Two. Cool. Get this crap cleaned up. All right, so these new drop targets come with, it's got a little extra nubby on it. They come with a rivet, and they're notched on the sides. Okay, now you're supposed to like mash this down with something. I'm gonna just try to fucking hammer it, see what happens. I think I should put that on something hard instead of just this wood. Let me find some sort of backing metal. Ooh. Piece of metal. Let me find myself a little piece of metal. Thought I had some flats. Hang on. I'm getting there. Metal, 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 metal. I have a replacement for this piece because it's chipping and missing something, so I'm gonna try this and just give it the old college whack. See what happens. You can't see. What would 5X do? Ooh, nice. All right, let's see what happens. I'm scared. I don't want to fuck this thing up. This seems stupid. I need like a punch. I'm stopping. Well, I thought about it, and I really want to do this right. And there's a clear pin side thread about using one of these and something hard like an anvil. So I found a pretty heavy vise with a nice flat spot to work off of. I broke down and I went and got it just because I've needed a little vise. So here we go. Cool. Cool. All right, here we go. Drop, target, smash time. Drop, target, smash. Not a drop target. Stand up target, smash time. It's my pastime. Smashing stand up target faces in my pastime. Hmm. I like that. Okay. Let me sit down. Tight. Rivet. Hmm. Not enough. I need a bigger hammer. And I think a fatter. Ah, what's up, babe? Hang on. What'd you say? Okay. Love you too. Love you. I need a bigger hammer. This thing's too dinky. I need a bigger hammer. Where's my big hammer? Big hammer. All right, whatever. I want to try it without. I'm like doing nothing. Hold on. Let's find a big hammer. Five ounces. This is my wife's hammer. 16 ounces. Let's try this. I'm going to reference the pin side guide real quick. All right, here we go. Bigger hammer, and according to the picture, it had a way bigger punch than what I was using. That looks nice. You can't see. Go like this.
No. Bigger? Oh no. Oh. I don't know. Looks like my point is just like hitting it. I'm about to flip this thing over and just flatten it. Sacrifice one of these things. That's what I'm gonna do. I hope it doesn't bite me. Okay. Well, that looks like shit. But it's tight. See if I can even it up. Or maybe I could just use the little hammer now. Hey! That's acceptable. Shine that up with Novus. Trim that off. One down. Through the face. Oh, snap. Face. Boing. Sailing on the water. All right. A couple more whacks, I'll have it. Let me align it. When I'm around you, I'm predictable. Take a hold of you. Could this be our love? Could this be our love? Breaking me down like this. You're the only one I would take a shot on. My dirty fingers. I'll take it, whatever. It ain't perfect. breaking me down like this. Alright, loosen her up. Alright, I'm gonna put one of these back together. So it goes, I need to reference the picture. Alright, I'm gonna put one of these back together. I laid it out in the order it goes here. I'm breaking up the wall. This need the screwdriver. Wait. There we go. Let's go. There we go. Oh my F. Alright, do that 2 more times. Alright, we're going to get these switches back in now that I replaced the faces. These guys. Pew, down the hole, plug them in, screw them off. So I need to reference the flyer to see what order the targets are in. Let's see. Looks like red, yellow, white. So let's do it. I need to get a green bulb condom for that. Oh, is that like a dome? All right, anyway. There we go. Red, yellow, white. Thank you, flyer. So red is, oh snap. I gotta
clean these first. Hang on. All right, I cleaned them up. Let's get these switches in. Remember where I put the screws. Need my nut driver. All right. Red, farthest to the left. Wait. Yeah. Yeah. I need to get a magnetic nut driver. See how that looks from the other side. It looks decent. Yeah. All right, I'm switching up the tunes. Oh, I can't because I'm recording. Hold up. I changed my mind. The playlist kind of hits right now, so we're gonna get this switch 56 plugged into switch 56. Because why not? Actually, I'll leave it out until I get all these in, so I don't have wires in my way. Yellow. This album is the band Acceptance. Oh, you can't hear it but you can hear me hum along. Or you will be hearing me hum along. Yeah. Anyway, this album came out like 20 years ago. I think in 2005-ish. And and then they re-released it. They re-recorded it with a bunch of different artists, like modern artists. Teddy Swims is on here and stuff. But I just love the album. I can listen to it the whole way through without skipping any songs, and it's just killer album. And with the re-record, they just hit it even better than the first time. Which sounds great. So I suggest it. It's Acceptance is the band, and Phantoms, I think, is the album. Yeah, but this is the new release of the album. Came out this, like, I don't know, a month or two, a couple months ago, maybe, I'm not sure. Anyway, I've had it on repeat. It's good. Let me check out that target. Okay, looks like a target. Make sure I'm doing this right, God. Red, yellow, white. Don Tolliver. Something wrong. DJ Snake and Don Tolliver. Wish you could hear it. It's not like I'm making money off this. I'll just leave it in. We feel like nothing. Come on, get in here. Oh my. What did I do with that other screw? Just had it in my hand. I think I set it right here. I found it. Should I torque these to spec? Just kidding. Who's this? On Off by the French Cassettes. I don't know the words of this one, but it's very chill. All right. Switch 76. We're going to plug him into 76. Like so. Switch 66. 66. Go under this. Okay. 56. Ooh, it feels nice to plug the switches back in. You know you're about to play some pinball eventually. I think that's all the bottom side stuff I have to do. So, there goes my nut driver. I put new sleeves in every single coil in here. And let me pause this. And I got, what else did I do? Swapped out all the cool or natural white. I'm not sure exactly what it was. For warm white. Under here. This is weird to me that this flasher, I know it's like to light up the dive hole, but I feel like I'm missing some sort of shield or something like this. There's this between these controlled lights and what I assume they're blocking off light from getting out of from flashing in the dive hole. So I don't know. We'll see. I need to put a 1/4 amp fuse in, F22, wherever that one is, because I finally got them in right there. there's a 1/2 amp in right now. All right, let me regroup. I think I might be about to lower the play field. We turn it around like an old person. Wish me luck on this whole freaking project. Me and my WaterWorld.